What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to How To Knots. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a handcuff knot, or this is how to make handcuffs out of rope. So we actually don't need access to either end of our rope for this knot, and we're just going to start with a simple loop. The loop's going to look like this, and we're going to make sure that this lead end leaving away is on the top here. And then we're just going to mirror that. So we're going to make one more of those loops just like this. It's important to make these loops of about the same size. There we go, just like that. Another important thing here, this one leading this way is along the top, you can see. Same with this one. Now all we're going to do is we're going to lift them and go like this, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach underneath and grab this, and then I'm going to reach from the top and grab this one. I'm just going to pull like this. Perfect. I'm going to start to pull the top there. And now our handcuffs are going to start to form. So what I'm going to do to tighten these handcuffs is first I'm going to pull the top here, just like this, to tighten that knot. And then once you put them through your objects, hands, something else, whatever you want, we're going to take our ends here and we're just going to pull just like this, okay? Just like that. So once you have your hands in there or whatever you want to put in there, you can just go like this. And there you go. That is how to make handcuffs out of rope.